Before digital calculators or smartphones, humans relied on machines with gears, levers, and wheels to do arithmetic. Imagine a desk-sized device, its gears clicking as you turn a crank, delivering precise sums and differences, faster and more reliably than most humans. These were mechanical calculators, the ancestors of every calculation device we take for granted today. Long before microchips, LEDs, or screens, students, engineers, and accountants relied on these ingenious machines. From slide rules to fully mechanical adding machines, they transformed the way people worked, learned, and designed. Each device was a blend of mathematics, mechanics, and craftsmanship, often admired as much for its beauty as for its function. 17th to 18th century, the dawn of mechanical calculation. The story begins with Blaise Pascal's Pascaline, 1642, one of the first mechanical calculators designed to add and subtract numbers using rotating wheels. Shortly after, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz improved upon it with his step reckoner, capable of multiplication as well as addition. These machines were rare, expensive, and delicate, but they set the stage for centuries of innovation. 19th century, industrial adoption. In the 1800s, inventors focused on making calculators more reliable and commercially viable. The arithmometer, invented by Charles Xavier Thomas de Colmar in 1820, became the first mass-produced mechanical calculator. Offices and banks began using these devices to speed bookkeeping and accounting tasks. Later, the comptometer introduced faster finger-driven calculation, allowing operators to enter numbers without cranks, revolutionizing office work. Early 20th century, mechanical calculators go mainstream. By the 1920s to 1930s, companies like Monroe, Friden, and Marchant dominated the market. These machines were robust, often desk-sized, with rotary dials, keys, and crank handles. Engineers and scientists relied on them for precise calculations, from bridge design to electrical engineering. Patents during this period reveal fascinating innovations in carry mechanisms, gear ratios, and register designs, allowing machines to compute sums, differences, products, and even some logarithmic approximations. World War II and post-war innovation. During World War II, mechanical calculators were essential in military engineering, ballistics, and logistics. After the war, electromechanical hybrids began appearing, still mechanical at heart but assisted by motors to reduce manual effort. Machines like the Curta calculator, a handheld marvel introduced in the 1940s, became legendary for their precision and portability. Hobbyists and engineers prized them as portable, mini-computers, decades before microprocessors existed. 1950s to 1960s, peak and cultural influence. Mechanical calculators became commonplace in offices, classrooms, and labs. Students mastered slide rules, while accountants and engineers relied on their machines for hours of calculation. These devices symbolized skill, precision, and human ingenuity. The tactile experience, turning cranks, feeling resistance, hearing gears click, became a shared cultural memory, connecting generations to the art of calculation. For those who lived through this era, mechanical calculators were more than tools. They were companions, a rhythmic hum filling the office, the satisfying glide of a dial, the anticipation as a register rolled over to the correct number. Students proudly mastered slide rules, engineers meticulously plotted calculations, and hobbyists marveled at machines small enough to hold yet complex enough to impress. By the late 1960s and early 1970s, electronic calculators and microprocessors changed the landscape forever. Pocket-sized devices could do arithmetic instantly, cheaply, and accurately. Desk-sized mechanical calculators, once indispensable, gradually disappeared from offices and classrooms. Yet their legacy remains: the principles, designs, and hands-on experience influenced early computer engineering and remain fascinating to collectors and enthusiasts today. Today, mechanical calculators are museum treasures and collector's items, reminders of a time when computation was both mechanical art and human skill. They show us that innovation often arises from patience, ingenuity, and the tactile connection between humans and machines. If you enjoyed this journey through gears, cranks, and dials, subscribe to Retro Treasure Unearthed, where we bring forgotten tech back to life.